Hello and you are welcome back to my channel. I believe you are doing great. So today we are frying French fries. It's a girl mystery as usual. So we need potatoes and then cornstarch. And I've already washed my potatoes, so I'll just go ahead with the slicing. Alright, so this is the size I want. This is the size I'm comfortable with, but if you don't like it this way, you can make it bigger or smaller than mine, but I'm okay with this size. And guys, if you are new on this channel, you are most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and let's keep winning together. So I'm done with the slicing. I'll just go ahead and wash it, then take it to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, because if it's too cooked it will start falling apart. So as you can see, I'm giving it salt. Yeah, so it's ready. This is actually 2 to 3 minutes and it's okay. The way it is what I want. So I'll just be shaking with cornstarch to get rid of any excess water in it. And please, while shaking, careful so that it does not fall apart. And guys, keep the comments coming at the comment section as usual. And this time around, I want you to predict what my next video is going to be. And if you get it right, I owe you something very special. So while shaking, my oil is already on fire, getting ready to do its job. Alright, so my oil is ready like I said, and it's doing its job. And guys, you have to be gentle with these French fries. It's ready as you can see. And these can be served with ketchup, green sauce, shito, and many more. So thank you very much for staying with me till now. I really appreciate. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share my videos. And that's my next upload. The Lord be with you. Bye.